And Atishi has taken charge as the Chief Minister of Delhi at the Secretariat. But interestingly, the announcement that she made while taking charge, the symbolism of that she did while taking charge has triggered a lot of conversation. She left the CM's chair vacant and occupied a seat next to it, and then said that she is not going to sit on that kursi and she will work for Delhi like Bharat. That reference to Ramayana, where she said that she will be Ram's Bharat. Let's listen into what Atishi said. Okay, we're going to play out what Atishi said, but Tejshri is joining us. Tejshri, over the last few days, leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party have been invoking Ramayana. Be it Manish Sisodia calling himself Lakshman and recounting the moment of his milap with Arvind Kejriwal. And now it is Atishi leaving the chair vacant and then saying that I will work like Bharat. So the Aam Aadmi Party here almost trying to say that Arvind Kejriwal for them is like Lord Ram and they are his Lakshman and his Bharat.
Well, absolutely. And on the day when she was declared as the Chief Minister, announced as the Chief Minister of the national capital, she herself said that Arvind Kejriwal is my guru, and such kind of statements have been coming from Saurabh Bharadwaj. Also remember that before announcement of the Chief Minister, Saurabh Bharadwaj himself said that whosoever will be the Chief Minister will be playing the role of Bharat, and he also in fact compared Arvind Kejriwal with Lord Ram. And today in fact the similar kind of statements we saw from Atishi, who took the charge and left the chair empty, and in fact she said that the chair will remain as it is for the next 4 months, no matter what. She will be working for the people of Delhi, but on the condition that the chair remains empty, number one. Number two, she will be working on the parallel lines like how Bharat worked, and she also narrated the entire incident so as to how while Bharat was taking the charge of the throne, he kept the sandals, the khadao of Lord Ram on the chair, and in a similar way she will be doing the same. She will be working on the instructions of Arvind Kejriwal. But again, we'll have to see that how this entire incident BJP will be taking up, how they will be reacting to it. Because while Atishi was announced as Chief Minister, they have been calling her just as a puppet CM. Back to you.
Now, the BJP is also responding to what Atishi has said. But let's tell our viewers about what Atishi did while, in fact, taking charge today. The new Chief Minister of Delhi says that today her pain is similar to that of Lord Ram's brother Bharat. She invokes that chapter of Ramayana and says that I will not sit on this kursi. So a CM who does not want to sit on the kursi, she says, like Bharat, in fact, took care for 14 years by keeping Lord Ram's khadao on the throne. She, for the next 4 months, will not sit on that chair, but will only, fulfill her responsibilities. What are the other reactions that you're tracking, Tejshri, as what Atishi has done today has now become a big political talking point?
Well, absolutely, and in fact, along with Atishi, other ministers will also be taking the charge of the office. But important here remains to be like this will certainly not be a cakewalk for Atishi. It will be very difficult. It will be certainly difficult 4 months for her because she has to face the allegations. She has to make connects with the people, and keeping in mind that the ultimate leader is none other than Arvind Kejriwal. Because no matter what, officially he cannot involve or sign on the papers. He cannot go to the Chief Minister's office, but yes, the important decisions at the back end will be taken by him only. In the say it be the policy making, say it be the alliance, say it be the seat sharing talks, say it be connecting with the people of the Delhi, say it be what kind of messaging they want to send to the people of Delhi, say it be the strategy and planning. So all these decisions will be taken by the national convener of the party, that remains to be Arvind Kejriwal, and Atishi will be following the instruction, because that is what Aam Aadmi Party has been saying, that their leader, no matter what, remains to be Arvind Kejriwal. And Atishi has been, Atishi has been appointed as the Chief Minister, because if Arvind Kejriwal would have been the Chief Minister, then there would be no work done for the people of Delhi, is what Aam Aadmi Party says. On the other hand, the political war of words continue, because Aam Aadmi Party, where they themselves portray as Kattar Imandar, BJP BJP still calls them Katta Beiman. First they
Yes.
used to call him a jailed CM, then a bailed CM, and then CM without power, and then now
So
they
Tekshi,
call the
as
sitting
Atishi
CM as the
assumes charge by leaving the CM's chair empty and sits on the chair next to it. There are a lot of reactions coming in from the BJP. But before we play out what the BJP has said, listen in to what Atishi said while saying that for her, this pain is akin to what Bharat felt when Lord Ram was sent on exile.